I will be showing you how to replace a face in SolidWorks. This is a great example of the melding between solid bodies and surface modeling. What I did here was made in a regular loft shape out of a solid body and then created an irregular surface that it would be very difficult to create in solid bodies. So what you're going to do once you have everything set up, you're going to click the Replace Face tool, and you're going to select the face on the solid body that you want to replace, and then the surface that you want to replace it with. Select the green check mark, and it will move the solid body to that face. And you can trim off these excesses here and here with the Surface Trim tool, and you'll be all set.